Hi, welcome to Fast Track to Fitness. This is Jay again. Today I'm going to show you the best way of plank. So plank is usually, people think it's just for the abs and the core workout. Today I'm going to show you how you can engage the entire complete full body for you to, when you do the plank. Okay, you just have to go lie down on the, if you have a mat, you can lie down on your tummy, completely, fully down. Now, first is that you need to bring your elbows together, tuck your feet together, lock your knees and tuck your butt and slowly now lift your hip up. Now you can hold this for 10 seconds and then you can slowly come down. Now once you're okay with the regular plank, now if you feel you want to have a slighter advanced or a challenging version of it, all you need to do is just go again on the floor, just lie on the tummy, again go on a regular plank. Now lift your hip up. Now this time I'm just going to lift my leg up. Now slowly you can alternate the legs up, hold it for 2 seconds and place it down. Now if you want it more challenging, you can slightly move your arms up, wider, up, lift it up and up, lift it up and up. So ensure that your body is straight completely and pull your tummy in, and you can go on for 10 seconds and you can slowly increase your number of seconds. Now once you're comfortable with this, where you lift your leg and hands separate, you can also alternate your hands and legs. That's as you go on the floor, you kind of try to alternate hands and up, and you can also extend it if you want and do this. This is much challenging. Again, it works your core, entire core and your complete body. Now for the rocking plank, again you need to go on a tummy. Go tuck your elbows down. Again, as I said, tuck your feet on the floor. Now extend your knees, squeeze your butt and lift. Now slowly what you're going to do is that you're going to rock forward and back. All that initiative, you're going to move using your ankle, push forward and back. Now slowly you're going to go sideways, move sideways, sideways and sideways. It works your shoulders as well. Now the third thing is you're going to do a circle. Now go around. This is much challenging. Now move forward and back. Now again, we alternate the opposite side. We move slowly and back. So this is one of the best rocking movement you can do. Alternate. You can go move front and back, and you can move sideways, and you can go on a circle. Works your complete body. Walking plan, I'm going to show you how you can walk forward and sideways. Yeah. Again, let me show you. You just go on a plank first, completely down, and now slowly without movement, you're going to walk forward. You're going to move your hand and again back. Without raising your hip up or down lower, you maintain that, pulling your tummy in, and you walk forward. Now again, I have to show you the sideways. You can use the mat, you can start at one end of the mat. Again, go on a plank, you move sideways, walk and walk and walk. Now again, you can go left. As you go on, it will be very challenging for you, and you can continue it. Takes your heart rate high as well. So hope you'll enjoy doing all the plank, and wish you good luck.